Setcrete Concrete Repair Mortar is an easy-to-use, single-component, polymer cement concrete mortar for the non-structural repair of damaged or worn concrete, such as floors, screeds, concrete paving slabs, balcony edges, beams and lintels, stair treads and risers, and producing gradients for ramps. Application is quick and simple. First, remove any loose material and dust, then wet the area to be repaired by working water into all crevices. Leave to soak in for 30 minutes whilst preparing the Setcrete Concrete Repair Mortar. Add the dry powder to clean, cold water. As a guide, use the ratio of 160 milliliters of water to 1 kilogram of mortar, 1.6 liters of clean water per 10 kilograms. Mixing is best achieved by the use of a power whisk fitted in an electric drill. Small quantities can be mixed by hand with a suitable stirring stick. Mix until an even, thick and smooth consistency is achieved. Using 2 float trowels, form the mixed product to the correct shape. Setcrete Concrete Repair Mortar is slump-free and will be self-supporting immediately. It has a working time of up to 20 minutes, depending upon temperature. Can be easily applied in thickness from 5 mm to 20 mm horizontally in a single application and up to 10 mm for vertical applications. It can be used internally and externally with excellent freeze-thaw resistance. The initial set time of the repair mortar is approximately 6 hours at 20 degrees Celsius and can accept light foot traffic after this time.